religious beliefs in England in the 1600s. A group of separatists, Christians who didn't want to buy into the Church of England or live under the rule of King James, fled to Holland and established a community among themselves there for 11 years. After 11 years, about 40 of them, having heard about this new world Christopher Columbus had discovered, 40 of them decided to go. 40 of them agreed to make a perilous journey to what was called a New World, where they knew they would face hardships. But the reason they did it, so they could live and worship God according to their own beliefs and consciences. On the 1st of August, 1620, the Mayflower set sail. 102 passengers, 40 of them pilgrims, now known as Pilgrims. They were led by a man named William Bradford. Now, on the journey, William Bradford set up an agreement, a contract that established how they would live once they got there. The contract set forth just and equal laws for all members of the new community, irrespective of political or religious beliefs. The revolutionary ideas expressed in the Mayflower Compact are derived straight from the Bible. The Pilgrims were a devoutly religious people completely steeped in lessons of both the Old and New Testaments. Among others, they looked to the ancient Israelites for examples, and because of the biblical precedents set forth in Scripture, they never doubted that their experiment would work. They believed in God. They believed they were in the hands of God. As you know, it was not a pleasure cruise. The journey to the New World on a tiny, by today's standard, ship, sailing ship. It was long, it was arduous. There was sickness, there was seasickness, it was cold, it was wet, the exact opposite of anything you think of today as a cruise on the open ocean. When they landed in New England in November, they found, according to William Bradford's journal, a